Little Island is New York City's newest public park off the Hudson River. You can enter on West 13th or 14th Streets. The park is opened at 6 a.m. every day and entry is free. After 12 p.m., you have to get a time entry reservation on the internet. Remember, we're still in a pandemic and need to observe social distancing. In this video, I'm going to show you what this 2.4-acre park has to offer. There is an amphitheater for outdoor performances. There are all sorts of flowers and greenery so you can stay connected to nature. Take the stairs so you can view the southern part of Manhattan and the One World Trade Center. Enter the glade and you can take in views of the city. We're going to loop back to the patio and sit down. You can grab a snack at the park's outdoor restaurant called Bites and Sips. All in all, we spent about an hour enjoying the novelty of the park. Little Island is a nice addition to your list of things to do in New York City.